Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you, step by step, how to restrict someone on Instagram. There are actually two ways to restrict someone on Instagram. I'm going to show you both. Method 1. You will want to start by opening up the Instagram app and then find the account that you want to restrict. You'll need to head to their profile page. For the purposes of this tutorial, I'm going to restrict the Preview app's Instagram account. I will unrestrict the account immediately afterwards because it is one of my favorite accounts for social media tips and tricks. Look for the button that says Following, and then tap it. A small menu will pop up from the bottom of the screen. There are 4 options: Add to Close Friends List, Mute, Restrict, and Unfollow. To restrict the account, you will want to select the Restrict option. Instagram will ask you if you're having a problem with the account that you're trying to restrict, in this case, Preview app. Instagram will also tell you what will happen when you use the Restrict option. It says,
"Limit unwanted interactions without having to block or unfollow someone you know. You'll control if others can see their new comments on your posts or their replies to stickers in your stories. Their chat will be moved to your message requests, so they won't see when you've read it."
To proceed with restricting that account, hit the Restrict Account option in blue, at the bottom of that section. A small pop-up will appear, telling you that the account has been restricted. If you take a peek at the bio of Preview app, it states, "You have restricted Preview app." Directly next to that, it says Unrestrict. If you have made a mistake and you don't want to restrict that account, hit Unrestrict and the action will be reversed. Method 2. Start by opening up the Instagram app and heading to your profile. You'll want to hit the 3-lined menu in the top right-hand side of the screen. When the next menu opens, you'll want the very first option, called Settings. I have an iPhone, but you might find that your screen looks slightly different if you have a different phone or operating system, such as Android, or if there have been updates since this video was published. Anyway, once you've selected Settings, you'll want to look just above halfway down the screen, for an option called Privacy. This screen is quite a long one. If you scroll right down to the bottom, there is a little area called Connections. Here you will find a number of things, including accounts you follow, muted accounts, blocked accounts, and, the first one on the list, restricted accounts. That's the one you'll want to select to find a list of all of the people or accounts you've restricted on Instagram. If you haven't restricted anyone on Instagram yet, your screen will look like this. As you can see, it says, "You haven't restricted anyone." If you have restricted accounts on Instagram already, this screen will show you a list of all of the accounts or people you've restricted. At the top of the screen, there is a search function. You can start typing in the name of the account you want to restrict. I'm going to temporarily restrict Kylie Jenner to show you. I'll start typing Kylie's name into the search bar and all matching usernames or account names will appear. On the right-hand side, a blue button will appear. As you can see, it says Restrict. If I hit that button, I'm taken to the Restricted Accounts page again. Kylie Jenner has now been added to the list of accounts I have restricted, along with the Preview app. A couple of handy facts and tips. You can restrict accounts you don't follow. When I searched for Kylie Jenner's Instagram account, all of her business accounts came up. I don't follow those accounts, but Instagram still gives me the option to restrict them. If you want to block someone but don't want to make it obvious to them, the Restrict option is perfect. The person you have restricted won't know that you have restricted them. I hope you found this video useful today, but please let me know if you have any questions, or would like to suggest another video tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more social media marketing and content creation tips and tricks. Have a fabulous day.